HPRS has been foundational to my doctoral training. The experiences have been transformational. I've learned a lot about myself and from my peers. My thinking has changed. My approach to research has changed. It's been overall just like a really wonderful learning experience. Second, the financial support has really been instrumental in helping me complete this PhD full-time, especially supplementing my needs as a parent.
So HPRS really gave me the skills to create my dissertation research that aims to develop a tool to provide concrete data for changing policy.
Just being surrounded by like-minded people who wanted to have an impact in their communities, and through things like course lectures, applied learning experiences like the case competition, for example, or policy pitches, and just discussions with the HPRS faculty who have done the work has really instilled the confidence in me that I too can make a difference and have a lasting impact on my community through my research.
I have really appreciated, over the past 4 years, how HPRS not only provided the stipend, but provided mentorship, provided an opportunity for me and my colleagues to connect and share and grow in our relationships and friendships, and those have been maintained.
Meeting other people, meeting my cohort members, collaborating with them, really soon realized that there is not one look of a leader. There's not one way to be a leader.
And it's also exposed me to such great people who are doing similar work, but from different perspectives. And to be able to learn their different methods, their different approaches, their different theories has been great. And I think that that's something that I'm really going to carry with me is even when our official programming is over with, I still have those relationships to learn from my peers.
And, these are people who I hope I've created lifelong friendships with, potentially future research collaborations with. They've certainly strengthened how I view my work.
HPRS really gave me the confidence and the tools to be an effective leader in the world that we're currently living in, and also the strength to stick to my values.
All these skills that I'm learning, all this type of research methods, data sets, how to formulate research questions, how to translate findings, how am I going to make a meaningful impact through this work? That's really where HPRS comes in.
I'm not a traditional doctoral student. I'm a little bit older. I have a family. I actually worked with my master's for 7 years before I came back to the program, and as a practitioner where I didn't do much research. But this program has given me so much confidence, myself as a researcher and the work I do.
That I was able to laterally transition from an epidemiology role into a health policy role and truly live that applied scholarship.
HPRS provided me an opportunity to really think about ways that I could shift policy, ways that I could ask questions differently, sort of in these epidemiological studies that could really be used to navigate change in policy.
Taught me a lot about the kind of researcher that I want to be and made me think about whether or not research was really the route that I wanted to go for my work. And I think it gave me the opportunity to see that it doesn't have to necessarily mean academia. Definitely kept me going through my dissertation and through difficult times in my PhD, but it also helped me realize that my goals weren't just necessarily cookie cutter, and that the things that mattered to me were making sure that I was doing work that was meaningful to my community and to the people I care about.
HPRS has helped transform my worldview, has equipped me with the tools to engage in policy change topics.
HPRS has afforded me the community and financial support to realize my dream dissertation project, to narrow and better focus my career objectives, and also to nourish my whole self as a partner, as a mother, as a daughter-in-law, as a friend, as a community member. I feel that through the program, I've come to feel more secure in who I am and how I can make an impact than I ever did before.